Ariana. Hey, no, no, no. Put it down. Put that down. Come on. Come here. I want to show you something. Come on. Get down. Come here. Come here. She's not going to fall off the chair. No, don't get on top of the table. I said I want to show you something. Oh, she wants a cracker. What is that? Cracker. Ariana, can you say Sean? Sean. Sean. Who's Sean? Sean is the guy who believes that you don't talk and you don't walk. No, no, no. Yeah, take your cracker. Take a cracker. What's with your hair? What happened to your hair? She's like, don't insult me. What the heck is this? An onion? Oh, put that down. Here, I'll give you a cracker. We have to show Sean that you can walk. Okay? You have to get down from the table. Here's a cracker. Get down. Come on. Come on, let's go upstairs. Come on, let's go upstairs. Watch what you're doing. Come on. Ariana. Alright, good. You put that back. Oh, good girl. Come on, let's go. Come on. Bye. I'm leaving. Bye. See you later. Bye. Oh, you're saying bye-bye. Thanks. See you later. Bye. Come on. Come on.
But my mother-in-law is coming over for dinner. My wife will kill me if I'm late. No, Steve, your wife will kill you if you're broke. And you need to go to the studio. This is your hit, my friend. What's it about? Not what I know. It's the Birdie Landing story. It's about a writer who can't get a job because he's too old. She hires her hot-shot nephew.
Are you not going to say bye to Grandma?
Bye-bye.
No, I'm not Grandma. Go tell Grandma bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Grandma, she's saying bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm going upstairs? Wait, what about my stuff? What about Mommy's jacket? Mommy's shoes. Can you go get Mommy's shoes? Can you hold them for me? Look, Mommy's shoes. Where are they? No, they're not over there. That's my jacket. My shoes. Look. Ariana. She's taking my jacket. She's not going to stare. No, Ariana. Go get my shoes.
It's cool.
Oh.
Ariana, go get my shoes. They're over there by the chair. Okay, thank you. You're gonna hold them for me? Oh, let me put them on my feet.
Hi, Andrea. Steven.
Oh, that's for the other foot. Whoa. Oh my God, is American Idol starting? Uh-oh. Okay, Ariana, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
What are you doing? Yeah, why? Mine must be lower. Oh no, but mine is a handle. She reaches up and pulls it down. I mean, it's a different kind of handle. Bye, Ariana. Here, Ariana, can you carry my bag? Want to carry it? It's the same size as you. Bye. Alright, see you later. Bye.